Hello, welcome to Srinivasa Tech Solutions. Today we're going to see this one. This is from the sleep company. So I brought this for my home office. Let's see this big box to unbox. Let's see what inside. In the box it says world's first only SmartGRID office chair, and you can see this is from the Ergonomic Smart by Sleep company, and this one is Pro series, and you can see their website here, and this is ISO brand. Similarly, on the other side you can see smart grid technology used for the seating purpose, and it has from 90 to 135 degree of recline, and this is having with spine support. So there is some adjustments also, and the armrest we have with 2D provision. We see the manual here. So what are the components it's coming with, how to install this. Actually, within 48 hours of delivery, someone from the sleep company itself will come and fix this, but I can try it myself. I see there is another box inside. Let's see what's inside. I see both the handrests are here. Inside I see a headrest and the seat and the actual backrest. So the backrest we have multiple color options. I got this one, the blue color. Other than this we have gray and black. So let me try to fix this and see. Finally the fixing is completed. You can see the final look here. So this is the back rest I am talking about. Both headrest and backrest is adjustable. These handles you see both up and then tilt also adjustable. You can push backward and forward. So the recline comes with 3 adjustable levels. 18 inches of maximum height you can see. You can also adjust your incline pressure with this spring adjustment. So we have 20 inches of seat height, which gives us a nice thigh support. So finally it's time to replace this with this.